Can I say it? Hello, this is Primmys Toy Review.
Today we have
a treasure hunter. We're gonna open it.
Let's see, what's a treasure hunter? We got this at what store? Winners?
Winner.
For $10.
Yes.
Okay, this is a treasure hunter. I wonder if it would be better. Turn it this way. Oh yeah, there we go. It's wrapped in plastic?
Yep.
What's on the back? What is a treasure hunter? Like, what's supposed to be in it?
There's like little tiny things like you have to build.
Oh, is it like a fossil or something, or a rock?
No,
Find
Mama,
the map.
Can I tell you something? There's stuff on that, so you have to peel that stuff off.
Okay.
Oh, that was easy.
Oh. Oh, here, you don't want to rip it all apart in case we need that. Okay. Here, turn it up. Silly boo. Here, do you want me to help you? Get! Dog.
Yes, Mama, can you help me?
Go, Fender.
So hard, you have to like dig your nails in it.
Maybe I will rip it.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa, Mama.
Whoa, look at this thing. It's like a golden nugget. Important for easy digging, place block under running water for 30 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
You have to peel this off first?
Yes. Can I get it off?
Okay.
Can you get that out? Can I use my...
Okay, what is it? Show the people. What is this? It's like a digger?
It's like a digger. It's like a ninja star.
Yeah, but it has like flat on one side, a drill on the other side, a rake on the other side, and like a screwdriver.
Yeah.
And then the middle piece for you to hold on. And this must be the tray to put it in the bottom. Does it hold in here afterwards?
Yeah, probably.
And then you can dig it?
No.
Can you dig it? I can dig it. Maybe you probably have to peel this. And then underneath. No?
I think you have to dig this.
Well, why don't you use this to poke a hole? Since it's the digger.
Wait, no, I can use one of these.
What's this say on it? 24. Collect all 24. Oh, they're like pirates inside.
Yeah.
Oh, collect 24s.
Mama, look, you can get one of these kind of guys with horns.
Cool. No, what's this? It's a map. Fender, get your nose out of here.
It's how you open it.
Let me see what it says. Okay, it has instructions for your quest for your treasure. Let's find the map to begin your quest. Rip through the golden layer and discover the rock. Find the coin, line up 3 icons, and reveal the treasure you may find. Okay. For easier digging, place a block under running water for 30 seconds. Dig your way through the rock to discover a secret hidden inside. 6. Discover bones and weapons of a treasure hunter.
Yeah.
Whoa. And then wash all the parts under the water and build your treasure hunter. And then find the treasure chest and remove the chains to open it.
Can you help me?
Whoa. Place the chest in the tray and slowly add water. Once... Oh.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. We'll clean it up. The fizz has dissolved. Oh, it kind of has like a bath bomb thing inside or something. Here, let me...
Got it.
Oh, yeah, you got her. Show the people. Show the people. What's it look like? You cracked it open?
Yep.
It's like ancient discovery, like you're cracking open and you're digging for a fossil, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
And this, Mama, you didn't realize this is a big mess.
That is going to be a big mess.
It's a quarter.
Yeah. I don't think it's a quarter. It says inside that there's that there. What's it say you're supposed to do with that? Oh, when you're digging to help you.
I know, Mama.
You put that in, I think.
Like this.
Yeah, and then it helps you to dig. Do you want me to put it underwater for you for a few seconds to help dig?
No, that's...
and then,
no. I was watching Ninja Kids. They just dipped in it.
Okay, well, it says... Here, why don't you show the viewers all of what's on there, what they can see, and I'll go get a little tray for you to put this on and put it underwater for a minute, okay?
No, can I dip it?
Okay, I'll bring back a bowl of water.
I'm going to dip it.
Okay.
So, here is all the figures. And these are all the coins. Look. And then all these little tiny guys that you have to build. And here is the treasure map or something. Map. Find the treasure map. Mama, look, there's a map where you can find all the other ones.
Cool. Okay, I'm back with a bowl of water.
I'm just gonna dip it.
Here, you move.
I'm gonna dip it.
Okay, and I also have a plate for you to put it on, and some paper towel because it's probably gonna be messy. Here, why don't you soak it in there for a sec,
No.
and then take your sweater off while you're waiting because you're gonna get this all over you. And we don't want to do that, do we?
This is my new sweater, right, Mama?
Yeah. Whoa. Okay, why don't you flip it over now, maybe for a second? It'll help make it softer. Just look at it. It's bubbling in there. Let's show
Let's
the people.
take it out now.
Okay, you want to put it on the plate?
And now,
Here, do you want to dry your hands or anything?
No. Where's the quarter?
I don't think it's a quarter. Okay, whoa. Oh, it's right under there. Okay.
So we're going to do this. And I want to dip it like this.
Whoa. Oh, whoa. I don't like this mess. But I love you, so I guess I'll allow it.
Ooh.
Maybe when you scoop it off, you can just
I found something.
Okay. Listen, look at. Why don't we go like that for a second?
Okay.
And then you can have more.
I should dip it like this away like one more time, and then
Yeah.
that, and then.
Where did that paper go? I forget what it said you're supposed to really do with that thing. Dig your way through. Find the coin. Ew. This here, you have to line up on the map to see which two things match all the shapes. And that's what's going to be your treasure inside. Do you want me to look while you're digging?
Yeah.
Okay, turn that upside down. And that'll help get some of the... No. Like, just go ahead and bang some of the mess off. Whoa. Whoopsie.
Whoops.
Went down. We're back. Light. No.
I want to dig it like this.
Okay. I'm going to line this up on the map and see if I can't find what our treasure's going to be. Okay. Move the water out of the way. A little palm tree.
Okay.
A keyhole, maybe.
Can I see?
See, that's a little tiny palm tree.
Okay.
And then that, I don't know if that's a keyhole.
No. I think I know what that is.
What?
I think it's a bow.
No, it's a little tiny palm tree.
No, I said.
Gotta be careful.
Mama, look.
I know, but this is, you're getting it all over the place.
That's what That's what the toy is to get really
it's
fun.
supposed to be making a big mess?
Yeah, to get fun and make a big mess. Mama, look.
Oh,
And Mama, I got one in the back.
I see that.
I'm doing
Big mess.
but I'm still doing a good job.
Yes, you are doing a good job getting out the surprise in there, but it's a bit messy.
I dipped it again.
Okay, I'm still trying to line this baby up.
Mama, look. Mama, it fought a tiny bit.
What happened there?
I don't know.
You don't know? People see you digging?
Yep.
It looks like cookie dough.
I know. It's like messy cookie dough. Like you get to I get to scrape cookie dough.
Cookie dough, yeah.
I said cookie dough.
Cookie dough? Cookie dough, cookie.
So it is a big job to do this.
Are you getting closer?
Look, Mama.
Oh, is it getting softer? Okay, here, whoa. Here, why don't we... I'm just going to dump this in the bowl of water to clear it.
Okay.
Because I don't think we need it anymore, do we?
No.
Man, I can't line this up. Oh, wait, I found something.
Mama, look. Mommy, look. Mommy.
That is a lighthouse or
Mama.
something. Okay.
I found something.
What'd you find?
Look, Mama. Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
Cool. I think I found something here too. Look. Does this look like it matches the holes? Does it line up?
Yeah.
So what do you think is going to be inside?
All those things.
No, but what's in the middle there? It looks like a stopwatch.
No. That's a quarter.
A quarter?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show the people. See, you have to line this up, and we have the palm tree, the little, I don't know if that's a lighthouse, and a barrel that's floating in the water.
Mama, look what I
And
got out.
inside, it looks like there's a stopwatch. So, it's a little treasure map, and if you match all your holes, then you know what is inside your treasure.
So I got
That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. That's like The Little Mermaid. Her dad had one of these.
Yeah.
You're a mermaid now. You can brush your hair. What do you call it?
That's a fork.
It's a thingamabobber.
I think I'm gonna do like this now.
Whoa, mess.
I got a big mess here.
Yeah, too bad it wasn't like a sugar scrub or something. I could save it and put it in the bath.
You
Should
can't
check the ingredients. Oh my. You're gonna have to vacuum the coffee table.
Yeah. Mama!
Whoa! Look, there's your treasure chest. You gotta dig that after.
Yeah,
Let's see.
I'm gonna wash it first.
Oh, I don't think that's gonna get washed in there. It's pretty messy bowl of water now.
There we go. Mama, we have to save this for last.
Yep.
Wait, that can go over there.
You smell like Burger King. We went to Burger King today. We went to Charlottetown. No Burger King in Somerset anymore. So we had to drive 1 hour to get a Whopper and some onion rings.
Yep.
But it's worth it. And that is where we got this in Charlottetown at Winners. Wasn't it?
Yep.
You were lucky and you found a toy you really wanted.
Yep. From Ninja Kids.
Ninja Kids. Whoa. Oh my gosh, the mess. Okay, hold up. Take a break for a sec. Pick that up for a second. Let me dump all this mess in a box. Because I don't think we need a box anymore, do we?
Nope.
Okay, put it back to the plate. Oh my. Okay. You are really digging that fossil out of there, aren't you?
Yep.
It is all over the place. It's like plaster. Build some walls with this stuff.
Yep.
Do you want me to get you
like...
some fresh water to put your pieces in when you're done? Okay, let's dump this in. Oh, what a mess.
Can I keep digging?
Yep. I'm just going to go get a fresh bowl of water.
Okay.
I don't know if I should be putting this down my drain or not.
I got something out. I got a foot.
What?
Yeah. I got like a duck foot or something. Look, a duck foot or something.
Okay. Put it in the water. Leave it soak.
Let's leave all the things in
Yeah,
there.
you can put all the things in the water. I can't remember what those things are called. Oh my gosh, the storage is going to be full on this baby soon. My dog's trying to get in the video.
There we go. Another one.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa. Chill.
And another one.
Here, let me dump this.
Okay.
I don't think there's anything in there, is there?
Nope.
Oh, I see something.
Another duck foot.
No, that's
How
not
many
a
duck? Oh no,
Looks
that's
like
a
a
hand. It's a shaped hand.
Whoa, the mess. Okay, chill. You're making a biggie mess. Did you use the screwdriver part or the drill yet? Or did you just like the flat side? You didn't want to drill in anywhere?
Oh, that was easy. I got the head.
Whoa.
Oh, look at
Oh, look, it's like
it.
a bee or a fly's eyes. It looks like flies. Look.
Look, it got sunglasses.
I know, it looks like the, let me see. Looks like the eyes of a fly. Giant fly head.
Look.
Look at this big piece. Do you think anything's in there? Okay, chill. I guess we'll save all the pieces just in case you're missing one. And then if we have to dig back through the leftover, we have this whole dish full of broken up pieces. Oh my. Should have closed this.
I know what this is. This is another piece of a hand.
Whoop! Trying to let your bangs grow, but they're getting long in your face. We need to clip them up. Here, whoa. Here, I'll do that. Okay, so now you need to do what?
And now we get take all the things out.
Okay, we'll move this bowl back in front.
Yep.
So you got all the pieces that you found in the water?
Yep. Now I'm gonna.
So this here shows.
We need scissors.
You want me to help you? What is that?
I don't know, but it's in the bag. Like this.
Okay.
So I want to get this one.
Let me see if I can do this. Oh, whoa, you're splashing. Okay, I'll get
So I got the
scissors.
skeleton
Skeleton?
head.
Not a skeleton?
So here's the face.
Because you used to say what?
Skeleton.
Skeleton.
So here's the face.
What's this?
Oh, that's the body.
Oh, yeah. I think the head goes on. Whoa! That is totally not the way I thought that was going to be shaped. I didn't realize the goggles were on the top of the head. I thought they were on the front of the head.
Can you shape that?
The dog
Can
is trying to
you
get
squeeze this on?
Here. Okay, you get that piece out. I think you had it.
Oh, I
It's
did.
on, yeah. It's on.
So now I want to get a hand. Oh, that's a foot. I want to put a foot.
Do you have 2 hands and 2 legs? In this?
Wait, is it Is this a dog cage?
No, the dog is knocking it over.
Is this a duck king or something?
I don't know.
Can you put this one on?
Okay, get another leg out.
Wait, no, then here's a hand. Ha ha ha.
Oh, I got that one on, I think.
Here's the other one.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
You didn't realize this is the best, right, Mama?
Okay,
Wait, Mama, we have to take this out.
Is there 2 arms in there?
Yep, here's the other one.
Is there 2? Oh, yeah. Okay, we gotta put these on. I don't know. This goes this way. I might have it upside down. Okay, whoa. Stop doing that. What are you doing? Okay. Okay. Where's this little fork?
Right here. Can I put it in?
Yeah, this sec.
So here's the floor.
I feel like I put his arms on backwards though.
Nope.
Do you think they're on the right way?
Yep.
Or backwards? It looks like this fork's in the right hands of all these guys. And that is the left hand is the holder. Let me switch them. They're backwards. I think.
That's what I should do. That.
That's why I told you to turn your sweater off because... What are you doing? Ugh. Here we go. There we go. You should be able to hold onto that right good now. Turn it up ways. Oh, unless you knock his arm off. Which can happen. Here, let me...
You put it on.
You gotta hold his arm tight while you're putting it in. Oh, there we go. Together. Forever. Look at this guy. And then there's still something inside of this treasure chest. Okay. Do you want to put him back in here for another little soak? Because he's got some clay on his feet. Here, I have a knife.
Okay, good.
Move back. Treasure chest.
Treasure chest. We're coming for you. What's
Oh, look, there's chains all around it.
I know. Oh. That's the paper chains. Oh, I want to do it.
I know, but I just it's not cut enough. I didn't cut it enough. See? Can I cut it again? This is a long video. Let me cut it. And what is this show called again that you are? Primmys.
Primmys Toy.
And what toy is this again?
A treasure hunter.
By who's treasure hunter? Ninja Kid?
Ninja Kids.
Ninja Kids. Alright. I think we got the treasure opened. Show your viewers the treasure. Let me get it open. Show it up. Little tiny treasure box. So cute. And you're opening it. Oh, careful.
So here it is.
And then I think...
And then now we're going to open this.
It's a treasure chest. Show it. What's it say? Let me see. I'll read it to you or explain it to you. It says, again, put some water in the treasure chest.
I know I'm going to do this.
And then use your tool and dig it. Dig it. And maybe you want to put it back on the plate. Whoa. Here. Just use the plate. Here, look. What's in it? Oh, orangey. Ooh, what is it? A little tiny shield or something? Oh, it's like a spearhead. Is that it? Oh, what is that? That's like really foamy. Look at it. Ooh, smell it. Does it smell good? Whoop!
It smells delicious.
It does? Let me smell. Did you get it in your nose? Let me smell.
No.
It smells chalky, kind of.
Ooh.
Oh, what are we making a mess now? No. So, where's your little guy? He's in the water?
Yep.
So you got a skeleton with goggles on his head and I don't know what those things are called. It's like a pitchfork, but I don't know if they're called a pitchfork, is it?
I think that's a king thing. Or...
A king thing? A king?
It's a hike.
A hike?
Yeah.
Is it really called a hike?
Yeah, probably.
You might be right, because you're smarter than me about some things. I don't know how this spearhead is supposed to be of any use to your little guy unless it goes to somebody else, because you can't hold it, and the tip doesn't come off of this.
I know.
So,
I know, Mama.
What?
Can I have that? No. Can I have that little tiny thing?
Yeah?
Hmm.
No, it doesn't hook on. Let me see here. I guess it's the treasure, though, that he got.
Wait. So this, I know who we got.
What?
We got, let me see. I need to see.
Okay, look, right here it says common treasures that can be found are on the outside of the map, right here. Around all the edges, it shows all the different things that you can get. A sack of coins.
Look, that's the one we got.
Yep, it says a platinum. Oh, it's a shark tooth. It's not a spearhead, but shark tooths can be used to spear if you put them on a stick with some tie of some sort. You could spear a lot of things with a shark tooth. Couldn't you? Awesome. Oh, the dragon claws, ring of the giant, glow in the dark, haunted lantern. Oh, that would be cool to get. A glow in the dark haunted lantern.
Yeah.
Those are on the bottom, green. All right. Is that it for the toy review? Out of 10, what kind of review?
This,
1 is not good, or 10 is very good. What number?
a 10.
You give it a 10? You love it that much?
Yeah.
Are you going to play with this little pirate guy a lot?
Yep.
And now you have a treasure hunt. You have a map with your your secret hint coordinates coin thingy-majiggy. And you have a treasure chest, and you have a big mess for me to clean up. And now you're going to break all those up and make a more mess. But you're going to the bath next, aren't you?
Yep.
Okay, thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Primmys Toy Review.
Bye.